guys, and welcome back. So I've been on the hunt for permanent index finger ring. I have slightly larger hands, I guess proportionate to my body size because I'm a big girl. It was quite the mission. Most of the time my size was sold out. Well, I guess that should be a comfort that I'm not all alone. Anyway, finally decided to check out the Midsummer London sale, and I got this pretty little thing and I'm in love with it, and you're going to be seeing me wearing it all the time. It was £34. I have a similar one which is in black and it does not fade. That's my plug for today. Hello everybody, and welcome back and happy 2023. I hope you're all doing amazing and you are already killing it and achieving everything that you want in this new year. Just wanted to say that this year we are pushing forward with slow living. It's going to be all about self-care. It's going to be about gentleness to ourselves. However, that's not going to mean that we are not trying to get productive. We're going to be as productive as possible. So the first thing that I just want to share is one of the books that I have. Actually, it's not a book, it's a journal that I got, and it's called the Head Plan, and this is what I have, and that's what I am going to be talking about today. So I'm just going to show you how it's laid out and how it's going to help me plan my goals, how I break them down on a daily basis, to a monthly base, to a weekly basis, to a monthly basis, and then hopefully achieving exactly what I look to achieve towards the end of the year. Only because if I don't do this, I tend to get mixed up, confused, distracted, and anybody can just come and change my mind, and the direction of what I want goes in a completely different direction. So this keeps me accountable, and hopefully it will help you too. So I'll go back to my usual way of showing you. I'll be showing you the book. It's either I'm going to have a voiceover or I'm going to have little comments that I write. What are they called? Captions in the video. So but if you want me to talk over the way I'm talking with you now and you prefer that, let me know in the comments. But if you prefer them no sound kind of videos, because they are generally really soothing, I find them soothing, I don't know about other people, let me know again in the comments below so I can see exactly what works for you guys. I hope that you really found this useful. What I'm going to do is, hopefully I have done, is talk you through step by step what this planner talks about. I think it definitely is going to help someone, because I'm not a very organized person, and it's already got me thinking about the things that I need to get organized, and it's kind of cleared a few things that used to be stumbling blocks for me when I'm planning ahead for whatever I want to achieve. And I have to go and look for where you can purchase this, because I really don't know. It was sent to me. I got sent quite a few, but this is the best out of everything that I was sent, that I thought that's going to work and probably do something different. And I haven't been wrong. It's worked. I don't have an affiliate link or anything of the sort, but I'm definitely going to share. And if you like to start your journey on planning and seeing how it works for you as well, you go ahead and go and purchase it. This is going to be short and sweet, because I'm just getting into the routine of vlogging at the moment. I'm not yet 100% there after the holidays, so until I am really in the swing of things, that's where I'll introduce 2 vlogs a week again, as I used to. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, that really helps me. Thank you.